Gilas faced the Under-20 team of Ukraine in their third tune-up game for FIBA World Cup preparation. Dwight, Ramos and Perez had 4 points each as Gilas ended the first quarter with a lead, 16-12. At the end of the first half, Gilas was up 33-31. Fajardo and Brownlee had 7 points each, while Rhenz, Abando and Malonzo got 4 points each. At the third, Jamie and CJ added points to their stats and Japeth Aguilar contributed as well. Rhenz Abando led the team with 10 points as they ended the third quarter with a lead, 53-48. And in the last quarter, they pretty much maintained their lead over Ukraine. The game ended 70-61 in favor of the Philippines, and they will have a rematch game tomorrow at 5 p.m. local.